Hello, hello. Princess sleeping. Oh, he's so cute. So cute. Thanks, guys. It felt really good to just relax. It felt really good to just relax today, and now I'm on TikTok scrolling. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go, but I need to be on here more. I never go on here. Ugh, I feel like I don't want to talk about that. I will do, yeah, it's not my, I can't talk about that, and I don't want to. I feel like it's not my business. And I really don't care, honestly, because I've never even Princess never met her before. I really could care less. I'm sorry. I said what I said. She's never tried to meet him before he passed and after. It's never been about that. But I'll tell you who was at the house when Prince was born, and Aaron has his last photo on his Instagram. His photo on his Instagram is with my family. They were always there. Hi. I'm doing something special for him, though. I'll keep you guys posted. It's involving one of his friends. I don't want to give it away, but yeah. His childhood friend wants to do something for him, and it requires not asking money from people. So, yeah. I'm not gonna go live. I'm not gonna go live with people tonight. I don't think, at least people I don't know. But maybe I'll start doing battle things. Thank you. Hello. My sharp nails. They are kind of sharp. They're called stiletto. They're called stiletto nails. They're pretty sharp, honestly. Miss you guys. Thank you. I haven't said thank you to anyone who's gifted me right now. I appreciate it. Thank you. Sorry I didn't say anything. Thank you, Cody. Long time no see. Sorry, Princess 4. Hey. Personal conversation about difficult past. All right, you guys, I might get off in a little bit, but yeah, let Prince sleep peacefully. Well, he never will wake up. When he's out, he's out. Oh, your granddaughter. Thank you. Join my fan club. I have a runny nose. All right, love you guys. I'll be back on. Thanks for sending me heart me's. You guys have a good night or good morning if you're international. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. Mwah. You guys, don't cry. All right, you guys, have a good night. Bye. I'll be back on in the morning, I think. All right, bye, guys. You guys are sweet.